Look how cute he is. He's sleeping. He has a tattoo in his ear. When we got him, he was tattooed, so. Other ear. Oh, his ear's a little bit dirty. We'll have to get in there and clean it out a little bit. See some little bit of earwax in there. Never really looked inside a cat's ear before. A little bit of wax built up in there. Wait till you see what his ear looks like. His ear's coming right clean. Really quickly. I hope you enjoyed this segment. It's called How to Love Your Little Kitten. Such a good little kitten. Smash the like.